Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i on your iPhone. You have to start by opening App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write SOUNDCORE. Now search and you should install this application. Allow, agree and continue. You can sign in into your account, but I'm going to skip it. Allow, add device, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!